Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to manage the viewers of TikTok story on your TikTok account. So first thing we have to do is open the TikTok. So TikTok also provide you with the features to upload in a story. So this features is allow you to create a content that temporarily appear or saved into your TikTok account. So sometimes those story will be disappear from your account after 24 hours. So we can like managing the viewers of our story by click the profile of your TikTok account and then go into these three small straight line here and go click the setting and privacy. And after that, you just need to click a privacy. And after you on a privacy segment, you just need to scrolling down until you found a story. Just need to click it, and after that you can change from from everyone into followers that you follow back. Means that you only share your story into your followers and your following. So that's all the way how to manage a story. You can also like keep the story for you only, just need to click it only, but you still, if you make a content, you want somebody else to watch the content, so at least if you want to stay private, you will share the story into your friends. So just click a followers that you follow back. That's all the way how to manage a viewers of your story, guys. If you find that this tutorial is quite useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.